Hello! Today we'll be rebuilding an AC Delco starter. Lay it down. These are all the tools that you're going to use for this build. Over here are what we're going to replace. So you get your number 8. Bolts, number 15, solenoid. This one, we'll go ahead and take out the brush holder. So to avoid yourself any further complications further down the line, we're just going to go ahead and take the brush holder out. Like so. We'll go ahead and replace these. These are actually okay. You fill your armature. Make sure there's nothing burned. Doesn't look like a rainbow. Casing. And what's next? You take out this tray. Off, and take out the gears. And that's how this should look like. So now we're going to go ahead and take out the solenoid. Solenoid. Plastic holder. The rest of it comes out fairly easy. Housing, back housing. So now that we've disassembled everything, we're going to go ahead and clean it up, make it look spiffy and nice, and get ready for assembly. Stay tuned. Now we wait 10 minutes. How to replace a starter drive. This part you want to save. You're going to see it when you take it apart. It's going to go right there. It's very easy to miss it. Don't miss that. Very important. So first things first, when you want to take out the drive, you want to use just any generic pliers. I kind of use them like a hammer. This is how I do it. Everyone has their style. This is mine. And then you grab the edge there, and then you pull up. Go. There it is. Off right away. If you wanted to replace the planetary track, now's the time. But this one is still pretty good. Usually you want to inspect for like any cracks or breaks. So now we cleaned up all of our parts here, except this one. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but it's always nice to clean things up. This goes upside down, like so. Then you get the other starter drive. And this piece goes after that. And finally, this piece goes. And to finalize, you don't want to do it right here, or else you'll make it come loose. Huh? Or else you make it come loose. So what you want to do is bring it out towards the back, so on and so forth. There you have it, ready for assembly. Before your assembly, these are the parts that you should have. Let's get started. It's no problem. This is how we start. Your safety piece, if you remember, you get a little bit of grease. This is just so this safety piece doesn't fall down, and it also lubricates the bearing. It should go in right pretty easy, like that. Next, you have your gears. Then this piece. Then we add a little bit of grease, just enough to get it going. Otherwise, when it spins, you'll have a big old greasy mess. Covers nest. Magnet housing. Where's my hammer? Armature. So, next up is the brush holder. And I want to just weasel this in there. Nice and steady. Hold it up like this. And then your back housing. And this bolt goes on the outside. And you should just go right in there. No problem. The other one. Number 8. Next up, we're going to braze the brush holder. Screw the baby in. These are a little bit more sensitive, so what you want to do is you want to just kind of bring it up a little bit. If you can see the screw here, it's going to rise as it sets. And the same on this side as well. You just tighten it up gently at the end of that. And that should be more than enough. Next up we're going to put in the solenoid. So this is a universal solenoid. This one usually has the switch on the right side, but there's also ones for the left side too. We'll get into more specifics when it comes to solenoids in a later video. So you want to make sure that this piece here to go right into that piece in there. And you put on the screws. There you have it. This drive shouldn't go up. So when you do this, it shouldn't come up. If it does, then you installed the solenoid incorrectly. Finally, we install the brush holder onto the solenoid. Now, let's go see if it works. This is power from the battery. And it is direct.
Can you zoom in on that?
Power from the battery. And this is direct. Very good. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like the video down below, leave us a comment, let us know what you think or how we can improve. We're always looking to improve. Until the next video.